Hak jing yo ekalat ban pen kalai ka jing mut jing perkhat jong ki samla kham tam ki bala do ekalat ban beteng jing puli ka jing don ki nong song shnong ki ba puli kot ka Shnong Nartap Riboy district ka ba hap hapo umsning constituency hak jing kershan ka Piramal Foundation ka labo da ka library lani ka yeng bo kot hapo jong ka te ka Shnong. Ya kata ka thop kun show kot la plie ha kata ka Shnong ha ka artarek urisau arja arpulai da ka jing sak hilang jong u program manager umrin moy sangma rengkat kinong senchar Shnong kinong song Shnong bat kiwe Kakenhon Piramal Foundation ka ka way na kiseng gibaran jing daya bajan bat ka niti ayok ka bay tray lang ban pensa priang ki lat jing tip bat ki balong ru ki jing a jing mentoy sya ki samla puli bat sya ki ba om yo lat ban betengi ki jing puli. Kat komute program manager ulaong baka foundation ka sedang mentrai kam hapo ka di ka district jong ka jela Meghalaya bat ka jet kerpang ru ya ka ni ka district kom kata ka district ka basa dien ha ka yo ka kot bat ka badang duna ha ka jingtep ka bala jukhot ha ka tin nong way kom ka aspirational district.
Piramal Foundation is a partner of Niti Aayog for this aspiration district program. We have been working with Niti Aayog since 2018 to address some of the most complex issues in the ground. And we have been here in Riboy since 2021. So we are trying to bring the community together and the departments together to work for a common cause. And as a part of that, while visiting Nartap village, we have felt that we can come together and start initiative something on the learning. And that's how the idea of this community library came. And that's how Piramal Foundation has connected with NGOs like Gunj, the Kanku Foundation, and then villagers also came forward in book donation drive. So this is a joint initiative of Piramal Foundation and the Nartap village for a community library in the village with a view, with a thought that learning should not remain confined only to the school students, because if we see the Riboy's literacy rate, so it is 76% plus. So what about those rest percentage? So if we could inculcate the habit of reading among the community members, I think it will help Riboy to reach to desired number in terms of literacy in the Riboy. So as a part of community initiative, we just want to request everyone that they can also take a similar initiative in their villages, so that it should be a community driven where they can come together. So with that thought, we have started this initiative in Riboy.
Ulaong ru baka kenhon yang menta ka sedang tray kam ha ki arli ki CNRD block jong ka Riboy district kata ka CNRD block umling bat ka CNRD block umsning. Badling ba kan ka thopun shawi ki kot jing tem kan plie lat kham tam e cha ki samla puli ki balaj pentibet ha ki jaka ai jing sumar ha ka kot ka khia.
So we have received books from our partner NGOs, that is the Gunj and the Kanku Foundation. The books included are encyclopedia, there are story books, there are science books, and there are also books which will help for us students to prepare for medical entrance exams, like one who is preparing for NEET and AIMS medical exams. So as of now, we are concentrating only for Riboy, so since it is the only aspirational district. Our idea is to reach out to every educational cluster. As of now, we have started our working in Umling and Umsning block alone. So in Umling and Umsning block, we have a total of 66 educational clusters. And in educational clusters, we are trying to build 2 demonstration schools. Those schools will be a kind of laboratory schools where we will do our interventions and we will influence the other schools also to follow the same model.
Kiwe bala ai jing kran ki kan thop yau dkhot ka dor bas nang obala pen pau baka long ka jing man ban ling ba ka jing kloi jong ka te ka kunhun kan plie lat sha ki babod ki samla bakin yo ya ki babon ki jing tep ki ba don kam e ha ka jing im.
Habangi phai sha ka ni ka juk ka bamanta. Ka juk ka bayabe ka ta jing nang ka jing start. Today na kata-kataw, bawat lada ni late school ru, ni pule yung got baper, haki kerdang la ni class baper, henry, lada ni shim benta la ni penadkam shushu ya ka library, ban pule yung got baper, kanon ra shushu ya kata kabor perkhat ka jongi la ni, ka mindset ka jongi haka ba mangi nila. Kumno ban penwandur shushu ya kata jingnang jing start ha kaba ka don ka jing im ka jongi da ka jing don jong ka library po shnong ka jongi Ganwan ra shubun ka jingla apo ka shnong ka thau ka jungi kham tam ya ki khna police
ka jing thumu jong kane ka jingbu ya kane ka library ka de na ka banta jong ki khna samla chung ni hi hadin ba ki la ya sangi na ka jing pule ka jong ki ba pher te kala ban panlong ya ki ba kin jaitu no bat ha ka jaka ba kin nang yo ya ka jing nang jing stand lani ka jing tem yo le se ba ki pendon kam ba klano kin ha kiwi pat ki rukom te de na kata kadau ba ka jing thumu ka ba kong san jong ka shnong jungi kalong ba ki khna hi kim de ban long ki ba ya langkar bat ki de ban nang yo shu ya ka jing tip ka jing nang lang ba na kini ki kot ki ba in sabu ha kalaya prade ha kadon ka wi ka building ka ban ka kadon hang ne po shnong jungi hi bat kadi kata ka building ka ba ngila ban si ong ba kadi kamdi ka building ka ba jong ka library henry ngin pendon kam ya ka nomor ba kati ka building ka badan hang te ki klem pendon kam ya ka shu i ying ja ya ka tu tengin persang na un pendon kam hang te kin man bu ita ki kan